Ayodhya, a city nestled in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, lies gracefully on the banks of the Sarayu River, approximately 130 kilometers east of Lucknow, the state capital. This ancient city unfolds a profound historical narrative where the essence of diverse cultures and timeless traditions is intricately interwoven. Its streets echo with the rhythms of its rich cultural heritage, proudly affirming its role as a beacon of tradition. Redeveloping such a sacred space necessitates a mindful and cohesive approach that honors its storied past, while fostering a harmonious integration with the modern era. In recent years, Indian architects have embarked on a transformative journey to reshape Ayodhya, blending innovation with tradition to offer visitors an immersive experience in this storied city. This initiative reflects a broader vision of revitalizing Ayodhya while preserving its historical and cultural essence. Commissioned by the government, Delhi-based CP Kukreja Architects (CPKA) has crafted the Ayodhya Master Plan 2031. This ambitious blueprint is designed to guide the city's sustainable development and enhance its infrastructure and pilgrimage experience. The plan envisions a comprehensive upgrade to the city's infrastructure, including new roads, railways, and airports, which will improve accessibility and connectivity. Central to the Master Plan 2031 is the preservation of Ayodhya's historical and religious sites, such as Ram Ki Pairi, Kanak Bhawan, and the Sarayu River. The plan outlines development within an 875 square kilometer area, encompassing the currently master planned city of 133 square kilometers and the core city of 31.5 square kilometers. The approach emphasizes contextual planning over greenfield development, incorporating civic infrastructure enhancements, land zoning, and contextual urban design guidelines. To boost economic development centered around tourism, the plan integrates spiritual elements and traditional healthcare, while also addressing the future growth potential for the next century. Ayodhya holds immense religious and cultural significance, primarily as the purported birthplace of Lord Rama. Its deep roots in India's history and religious fabric make it a focal point of architectural and cultural significance. The architectural splendor of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir is a testament to the skilled craftsmanship of ancient India. Originally designed by architect Chandrakant Sompura in 1988, the design has been updated in 2020 by Chandrakant and his son Ashish Sompura, adhering to Vastu Shastra and Shilpa Shastra principles.
આઉટર પેરાફેરી દેખાય છે એ બધી વિવાદિત જગ્યા છે. આ મુખ્ય રામ મંદિર છે અને આસપાસમાં લક્ષ્મણ મંદિર, ભરત મંદિર, સીતા મંદિર, 5 મંદિરો, ગણેશજી મંદિર, 5 મંદિરો બીજા છે. ત્યાં બધું જુદું જુદું ડેવલપમેન્ટ છે. અહીંયા કથાકુંજ છે, અહીંયા ઓફિસ છે, બધું એવું બધું. ચારે દિશામાં 4 દ્વાર છે. જે દિશાનું જે દ્વાર હોય એ પ્રમાણે બનશે.
The new Ram Mandir embodies the Nagara style of temple architecture, featuring a striking silhouette that reaches for the sky.
મંદિર ડિઝાઇન એવી રીતે બનાવવામાં આવી છે કે જે ઉત્તર ભારતમાં નાગર શૈલીનું મંદિર હોય.
Constructed with a formidable 14-meter thick layer of roller compacted concrete and complemented by a 21-foot high granite plinth, the temple stands as a majestic 161 feet tall, 235 feet wide, and 360 feet long. This 3-floor structure, with each floor measuring 20 feet in height, encompasses a built-up area of nearly 57,000 square feet. The temple's entrance, known as Singh Dwar, is flanked by 44 teak doors. The temple is supported by 392 pillars and includes 5 mandapas and a sikhara, creating a sacred space where Vedic rituals are seamlessly integrated with the modern fabric of Bharat. Materials like granite, sandstone, and marble were meticulously chosen for their traditional significance.
મંદિરમાં જે પથ્થર વાપરવામાં આવ્યા છે એ લગભગ હજારો સાલ ચાલે એવા છે. પ્લસ કોઈ પણ જાતનું એમાં લોખંડ વાપરવાનું નથી. પથ્થર બંસી પહાડપુર ભરતપુરની પાસે એક બહુ સરસ પથ્થર નીકળે છે, ત્યાંથી લાગવામાં આવ્યો છે.
The construction employs a lock and key mechanism essential to Sanatani architectural styles. Additionally, a time capsule buried 2,000 feet underground and the earthquake-resistant design further safeguard the temple's legacy. The idols, carved from Shaligram rocks believed to be 60 million years old. Top Indian scientists, including contributions from ISRO, have added a scientific dimension to the Ram Mandir project. The Indian Institutes of Technology, ITIS and CBRI provided design advisory, while Larsen & Toubro L&T realized the physical construction. Tata Consulting Engineers, CEL, oversaw the design actualization, culminating in an architectural marvel that stands as a symbol of hope, unity and faith.
ડિઝાઇન જ્યારે બનાવી ત્યારે અમે ત્યાં ગયા હતા અને જગ્યા જોઈ કે આ જગ્યાએ આપણે રામ મંદિર બનાવવાનું છે. એટલી બધી મિલિટરી ને એવું બધું હતું કે ત્યાં કોઈ મેઝરમેન્ટ કંઈ થઈ શકે એવું નહોતું. એટલે અમે પગથી ચાલીને મેઝરમેન્ટ લઈને કે આટલા બાય આટલાની જગ્યા છે, આ છે, તે છે, એ બધું માપ્યું. મેં મારી રીતે જગ્યા જોઈ લીધી, જો આવીને પછી પ્લાન કર્યો અને બધાને આ પ્લાન આખું વિશ્વ હિન્દુ પરિષદને માન્ય થયો. પછી ત્યાં 12 વર્ષે જે કુંભ મેળો થાય છે એમાં બધા સંતોએ માન્ય કર્યો. આ પ્લાન આખો નાગર શૈલીના મંદિરનો છે. 2 મજલા છે, આગળ ગર્ભગૃહ છે, પછી ગુડ મંડપ છે, પછી નૃત્ય મંડપ છે, પછી ત્રિચોકી છે અને આગળ બીજા મંદિરો છે.
The Maharishi Valmiki International Airport exemplifies the fusion of regional architecture with modern design. The terminal roof, adorned with shikaras hung at varying heights, reflects the spirit of the Ram Mandir. Designed by the Lucknow and Delhi-based studio Stapati, the airport integrates traditional temple architecture with contemporary aesthetics, marking a departure from conventional glass box structures. The airport's architecture embodies the Nagara style, featuring a grand stepped shika at the main entrance adorned with brass. The intricately decorated Toran doors provide a nod to mythological references, creating a symbolic connection to the region's rich heritage. The design captures the essence of Ayodhya, with artworks depicting the timeless tale of Lord Ram from the Ramayana and strategically placed skylights enhancing wayfinding and passenger experience. The airport pioneers sustainable practices, utilizing glass fiber reinforced concrete GRC materials to achieve carbon neutrality. This eco-conscious design underscores India's commitment to environmental sustainability, earning the airport a GRIHA 4-star certification. Ayodhya's ongoing transformation is a remarkable blend of history, innovation, and tradition. As the city evolves through the Master Plan 2031 and the architectural marvel of the Ram Mandir, it remains a living testament to its rich heritage, while embracing modern advancements. The Maharishi Valmiki International Airport further exemplifies this fusion, bridging the past and present to its design and sustainability efforts. Together, these initiatives reflect a holistic vision for Ayodhya, one that honors its sacred legacy while paving the way for a vibrant and progressive future.
Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such breathtaking projects, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Architect's Diary. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment.